Hey everyone, welcome to this quick video where I'm going to show you the latest version of Camera 3D Toolkit Pro, version 3.2. I wanted to make this a fast, unedited video to show you what's new directly in live. When you open the plugin, you'll see this notification pop up. It's very simple, just click the update button. A window appears and you can download the latest version right from there. I've already done that on my end, so I don't need to go through it again. Now, what I want to show you is that the interface may look the same at first glance, but a lot of changes have actually been made in this version. To demonstrate that, I'm going to quickly create a composition. I'll add a text layer, something like Camera 3D Toolkit, just so you can see how everything works. I'll center the anchor point, then duplicate that layer a few times. All right, I now have several text layers stacked up. Now, let's say I want to create an animation that brings each text layer in separately. Well, I no longer need to select each layer one by one and click target manually. All I have to do is select everything with Ctrl+A, then click target once. The plugin automatically generates the entire animation. See that? The animation was created automatically without me having to handle each text layer individually. Let me just bump up the depth of field slightly so it's more visible. And there you go, everything is animated. Thanks for watching this video. The link to download the plugin is available in the description below. Make sure to grab it and I'll see you in the next one.